guys, Scarlett at Build Across here, and I want to show you how I freehand this truck cutout today. I will be going in first with the color Sea Glass and using that for my back glass and also my two rear view mirrors. And I'm doing this all with a number 12 flat. I'm going in now with Hurricane Gray for my truck, and then I'm going to paint my bumper in the color Savannah Mist, and then I'll paint my tires just a solid black color. Once I'm done with that black tires, I'm going to allow everything to dry completely. Once everything's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. This is also when I'll go in and add my truck bed details, but it's very simple. You can just follow the steps that I use on this video. And then once I'm done outlining everything with this black marker, I'll go in with a number 4 round in the color Cotton and highlight everything. And whenever I highlight like a back glass, I really like to do like a squiggly line, kind of like a wavy line, just to kind of make it look like the sunshine is hitting on it. And then that'll complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.